Hi guys, in this video we'll be looking at a letter T which sounds similar to letter T in English. Okay, so words like table or tomatoes. So this is how letter T sounds. But for this video we'll be looking at how T is written in a word. Okay, so far we have looked at letter Alif and letter B. Okay, so in this video we'll be looking at letter T. Okay, so and the word I'll be using is the first word I'll be using is tilka. Okay, so tilka actually means this in Arabic. So t with a kasra, t, join with lam with sukun, til, and kaf with a fatha. So this is tilka. So let me just write it separately. So ta, kasra, lam with sukun, and kaf with a fatha. So this is tilka. So I'm just going to copy that and put that into pages. Okay, so make some space over here and plus. Okay, so I'm gonna use some colors just so you can actually see letter T. So this is T at the first letter of a word. Okay, so when T is written, okay, so it's gonna be cut over here and joined with the next letter, which is lam. Okay, so T joined with lam. So this is lam over here. So I'm gonna change the color of lam as well. Now I'm just gonna change it to blue. Let's make it a bit more evident. Let's do this one. Okay, so this is letter T joined with lam and joined with the kaf. So now we can see, the three letters in this word. Okay, so this is tilka. Letter T are the first letter of a word. So I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to copy that, paste that into here. Okay. So to get the formatting, I'll just paste it over here and get the formatting. So I'm just going to make that a bit bigger, and I will copy the. So again, to get the formatting, I'll just copy it over here. So this is letter T at the first letter of a word. Now we will look at letter T in the middle of a word, and the word I'll be using is kataba, which is actually a verb for writing, so to write. So kataba. Okay, so when we write it together, okay, we can see how the kaf will change. So ka, the S shape will be dropped, and it's going to be joined with the ta. Okay, so you can see how the kaf changes, joined with the ta, and the ta will join with the ba, kataba. So we're going to do the same, paste that into pages. Okay, so this is a ta. I'll just put the by a different color. So this is the in the middle of a word, so the calf will be joined with the ta. So this is the calf joined with the ta, and the ta will be joined with the ba. Okay, kataba. So this is ta in the middle of a word. So I'm just gonna copy that, paste that over here. So just to get the formatting, I'll just paste it next to kataba. Okay, and lastly we'll look at the as the last letter of a word, and the word I'll be using is anta, which actually means you, which is a pronoun in Arabic. So an, joined with noon, with sukun, an, and da with fatha, anta, which actually means you in Arabic. So an, da. Okay, so copy that, paste that into pages. So da. Change the colors. Da. Will be in red. Anything black. So alif joined with noon, so we have seen that alif will not join with the letter next to it. Okay, so it's going to be written on its own. This is a noon over here with the dot, so an, and this is a ta with the two dots. Okay, ta has two dots, and it's got a fatha on it, so ta and ta. And we're just going to copy that into our document over here. So this is ta at the first letter of a word, ta at the middle letter of a word. You can see the two dots over here, and this is ta as the last letter of a word. Okay, so in the next video we'll be looking at letter th, and we would like to thank our sponsor for supporting us for this video. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.